Okay, my YouTube brothers, I wanted to do a quick video tonight. This is a semi layout update, but it's on the wall. I just wanted to show you what I got going on and what I use. A few of you guys have asked what type of wall, what type of color, etc. to get this to this. But all right, so here we go. I take these wall sections that I've had a pretty hard time getting, but now I have them. But if you do water them, they're retaining walls. They're from Woodland Scenics, C1259, and the light is fantastic as usual down here. And they are retaining walls, cut stone, HO scale, C1259. And that is the walls that I am using to glue up against the foam board. Tonight I am using liquid nail heavy duty adhesive, construction adhesive. I like it, but I used Gorilla Glue heavy duty construction adhesive before this, but they were out tonight at Tractor Supply. I liked the Gorilla Glue better because it set up quicker. So anyways, there you go. Gorilla Glue or liquid nails, heavy duty construction adhesive, retaining walls, glued. Now, when you look at it, you see these gaps, and it kind of looks like ass, to be honest with you. Not bad, but we can't have that shit. So what we do next is we use this foam putty, and this stuff is fantastic. I'm just waiting for those walls to glue in. Foam putty, again, Woodland Scenics, and I'm not going to get anything to address tonight. But this is a ST1447, and this stuff is like it's the weirdest stuff. It's like a plumber's putty almost, if you've ever used plumber's putty, but it's white, and it matches that. So when you fill the joints, you'll get that, okay? So you with me so far? So you got your walls, you got your adhesive, you got your putty. So now you're good, right? I think it was Mike Espy. I could be wrong. But my next step, after I fill these joints tonight sometime, I'm going to hit it with the concrete, which is C127. Again, Woodland Scenics. I'm not a spokesman. And so that will get me the concrete color. But then it looks awfully white, awfully bright. So I make a wash of stone gray. Stone gray, and I believe that is C1218. And the wash by that, I mean, I put it in a plastic beer cup. A plastic beverage holder. Add some water to it, pretty much more water than that, and just stir it on and wash it. And then so you go from that to this. And so there you go. That's just concrete, and that's just a wash. And then I'll get into I'm starting to put my landscape up top to bury that crime between the walls, because there's 1-inch foam board between the panels and the backdrop. So there you go, guys. I hope I'm not rambling on too much, but I just wanted to do some product. Then once the walls are in and stained, I will be going back to work on that stone. I bought some other products I will show you. I got some lichens, some briarwood, some earth coating. And then my buddy from Bob from Long Shadows hooked me up for a surprise you guys are going to love up top. All right, peace out, guys. Just wanted to show you what I got going on. Again, there's the goods.